Dumbbell lateral rises to front rises. Main muscles target anterior deltoid and lateral deltoid. This is one of the best exercises to target lateral and anterior deltoid at a time. Do 4 sets and 20 reps. Perform this exercise with light weight. Seated Smith machine shoulder press. Main muscle target anterior deltoid. Take a shoulder weight grip on the bar and lower the weight down until they touch your upper chest. Take rest 60 to 90 seconds between in each set. Seated dumbbell lateral rises. This exercise emphasizes lateral deltoid. Rise your arms out to the side in an arc until the dumbbells reach your shoulder level, and lower the dumbbell back down to the starting position. Incline dumbbell reverse fly. Target muscle posterior deltoid. Perform this exercise on 30 to 45 degree bench. Rise the dumbbell to the air level and keep your elbows slightly bent. Barbell shoulder press behind the neck. Target muscles front dead. Use light weight for this exercise. Push the weight vertically and back down slowly to the starting position. Don't hold your breath during the exercise.